I had the opportunity last week to spend some time with a real war hero. This was a pilot who was shot down, Israeli pilot who was shot down over Syria, spent 8 months in captivity. They cut his leg off, amputated his leg just so that he wouldn't be able to fly again. And anyway, he was freed and went on to a very distinguished career in the Israeli Air Force. And I was able to spend time with this gentleman. He came to the United States to help raise money for terror victims. It was fantastic to spend time with him, but also I realized that he wasn't the only hero. There were a lot of people around who were people that you go to the store and they're standing in front of you or in back of you, people who are selling you gasoline, whatever, from all walks of life, working diligently to help raise money for people that they never have met or will meet. And it struck me that those people were heroes too. And you know what? It was really a great feeling just to be around people like that. And I found myself just holding myself a little bit higher. And it just felt terrific. The reason I thought about sharing it with you is I'm of the mind that if I take that into the world and treat someone else like a hero, I may not know. But I'll bet you everyone has their hero story. They've helped another person tremendously. They gave to their community, their country. At work they were a hero. To their family they were a hero. Whatever it is, go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and try to treat one person like a hero every day. And as a result, I think that I'll reap tremendous benefits. It'll just be a great way to live. And my suggestion, your homework is, every day go out and pick one person. And I'm not asking you to make them dinner and throw roses before their path, but just in your mind, think about them as being a hero and see how that impacts the way you treat them, and see how that doesn't, if that doesn't help you to live more richly. So do that, and the way I'm going to remember to do it is I have my little pad and on my things that I need to get done every single day, and that's on the top of my list. So I'd love to see and hear about how that works out for you, if you think it makes sense, and how it impacts your daily living. Thanks.